Hello and welcome. This is Explain That in this how to use the flicker in Capcut. So first and foremost, open up your project or add the video that you want to have the flicker on. So after that, make sure that you are accessing your video into your timeline. So after importing the video into your timeline, or you have already loaded your project, just go to the effects section, search up black flash, or you can even use the white flash if you want. Depends on whatever type of flicker that you want to have a look at. So black flash works the best, the black flash 2. And after that, just add it in your timeline and just click on it so that you can adjust the strength, the size, the speed, and even the twist. And adjust it whatever your preference is. And after that, just see the results below. You can see it when you're playing the video itself in the video feed. And export it whenever you want. That's about it.